Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Vscode versus Windsurf. Let's clarify right away that these two are fundamentally different. Vscode is a robust, open-source code editor, a tool for creating software, while windsurfing is an exciting water sport, a physical activity for recreation and competition. They exist in completely separate domains, one digital and one physical, making a direct, better comparison impossible. Vscode, or Visual Studio Code, is a lightweight yet powerful source code editor developed by Microsoft. It's designed for building and debugging modern web and cloud applications. With its integrated terminal, Git control, and a marketplace boasting thousands of extensions, it significantly boosts developer productivity. It's a digital workspace, essential for anyone crafting software. Windsurfing is an incredible water sport where you stand on a board and harness the wind with a sail. It's a fantastic full-body workout, engaging your core, arms, and legs. Participants can enjoy cruising leisurely or performing high-speed maneuvers and jumps. It's an activity that connects you with nature, demanding skill and providing immense exhilaration on the water. So, which is better? The answer truly depends on what you seek. If your passion lies in creating digital solutions, writing code, and building the future, then Vscode is your indispensable tool. However, if you crave the rush of the ocean, the challenge of mastering the wind, and a vibrant outdoor sport, then windsurfing is undoubtedly your calling. Both are excellent, just for different purposes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.